Working on my 2006 Chevy Cobalt SS, and today I'm going to be replacing the headlight. It had a little love tap on it that busted out this headlight. No other damage, just the headlight, and they are having an amazing sale at Pick and Pull. I got this headlight, which is in really good shape, light new condition. The sale is $25, all headlights and taillights. So this is a great deal. It even comes with the bulbs and the wiring harness. Can't beat that. And it just so happened I needed a headlight. So this is a 06 Chevy Cobalt SS. Beautiful car, great shape. This is the car I put an engine in. The original owner had an oil change at a quick lube type place, and they didn't put the drain plug in correctly, and it blew the engine. That's why I got it. It has 120,527 miles on it. Pop the hood. This is going to be a really quick job. It's just two 10mm bolts holding the headlight assembly in, and then one wiring harness. Super easy. This headlight's in absolutely beautiful shape. Okay, to remove the headlight, you're going to pull out on the corner by the fender and then push this into the bottom part, and it just pulls right out. Then you unplug the wiring harness, which is right there. Believe it or not, the headlight actually still worked. Absolutely no damage to anything other than the headlight. You cannot beat this pick and pull deal. $25 for a headlight is really, really good. I think it was $30 out the door. Plug in the wiring harness, and then push back here and then pull it back up. There's a little piece in there. Put in the two 10mm bolts. turn on the headlight, test it, make sure it works. Looking good. And that is replacing the headlight in a 2006 Chevy Cobalt SS. That's a great sale on headlights. Looks as good as new. Beautiful. Pick and pull. Definitely has some great sales. This isn't quite as good as their 40% off sale, but when you need a headlight, it works out great. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.